Welcome to Everyday Swahili. Today we'll look at just a simple conversation that just happens in normal days. And in the left side, we'll start by using English. It will be in purely in English, where in the left side it should be in the left side it will be in English, and then in the right side I will press Swahili there. So the first sentence: do you have any animals? Do you have any animals? In Swahili, una wanyama wowote? Una wanyama wowote? Wanyama is animals in plural. When it's just single, it's mnyama, but in plural it's wanyama. Wowote, wowote. This one is any. Una is do you have. This u stands for this you. Una wanyama wowote. Number 2, do you sell dog food? Do you sell dog food? Je, unauza chakula cha mbwa? Je, unauza chakula cha mbwa? Dog is mbwa. Mbwa. Food is chakula. Chakula. When you say chakula cha mbwa, cha, this is the possessive, that it shows the possessiveness of the food. This chakula cha mbwa, dog's food. Like, do you sell is uza. Uza. But since it's you, it's unauza. You sell. Unauza. No. Do comes now with the je, like it's a way of asking. Je. The next question. A statement. I have a dog. I have a dog. You can say mimi nina mbwa. Dog is mbwa. Nina is like I have. I have. So it's, you can opt to leave this mimi just outside. When you say nina mbwa, it's the same like I have a dog, but mimi is like me, I have a dog. So mimi is me in English. Monkeys are funny. Monkeys are funny. Tumbili wanachekesha. Monkey is tumbili. 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 Wanachekesha. They make someone laugh. That is, they are funny. The next, she likes cats. She likes cats. Yeye, that means that person. Anapenda is likes. That person likes. Cat is paka. Yeye anapenda paka. Tigers are fast. Chui milia, tiger. Chui milia ana mbio. Ana mbio, that means they run fast. Ana, he has that. Mbio is that fast move. Mbio. The next thing, good morning. Good morning. This is typical for greetings. Habari za asubuhi. Morning news. What is the morning news? Good afternoon. Habari za mchana. Good afternoon. Habari za mchana. News of the day. Day, mchana, like day. Good evening. Habari za jioni. Evening news. Yeah. How are you? Wambaje. 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 Or how are you? How are you? You can also say habari yako. Habari yako. So you can use habari yako or wambaje. What's up? Like the normal colloquial expression used in slangs and stuff. Vipi. Like, what's up? Vipi. I'm fine, thank you. Niko vyema. Shukrani. Shukran or shukrani. Shukran is thank you, the thank you part. Niko vyema, that is I'm well or I'm fine. And you? Labda wewe. Or you can also ask, na wewe je? Na wewe je? Thank you for listening and being attentive to this class. For more of this video, click subscribe, like and share. Till next time, bye bye.